Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm really excited to share with you how to add an image to your sidebar. And this is an image widget that you can make it clickable so it opens to another window, or you can just have it be an image. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So go to your dashboard. I'm in Laura's blog right now. I'm going to go to her dashboard, and all you're going to do is you are going to go to Appearance Widgets. And we are only dealing with the sidebar widget. We're not messing with the landing page or footer widgets, okay? The sidebar widget area is what deals with your blog, okay? So anytime you do a blog post and you send somebody clicks on a link to look at a blog post, this is what they're going to see, is everything that we have set up using this section right here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image widget. I'm going to add an image to the bottom underneath categories, okay? So I'm going to take image widget and I'm going to just drag it and I'm going to release it. It opens this up, and then you just select an image. Now I need to go to upload files if I don't already have it in my library. When you upload a picture, it will automatically add it to the media library, okay? So I'm going to click upload files, select files, and then I'm going to find my free training picture. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find the one that I want to use. Okay, this one right here. Okay, let's see if there's one bigger. I think they're all 245 by, oh, here's a big one. Okay, I want to show you this. Okay, I'm going to double click on that. Okay, and I am going to click Insert into Widget. Now, the widget width of the widget, the width is only up to 260, and this was 450. So as you can see, it's really big. All right, and we don't want that. We don't want to stay the full size. So we are going to want to change that size. But before we do that, okay, you want to change the title, because if I just save this the way it is now, look at how it's going to look. I'm going to click Save. By default, I'm going to refresh this. By default, okay, cool beans, it did reduce the size for me. Okay. That's good to know. Okay. You don't want this title though, okay? So I'm going to remove the title and just completely remove it. And if you have a problem with the image like being bigger, because that has happened before, then what you do is you just go down here to custom, and this is for the landing page theme that we're using, and make this width 220, or excuse me, 260. And when I hit tab, it automatically changed that. Okay, so you know what that did is it reduced it to the default, which is 260. So it hasn't done that with all my images, so that's pretty cool that it did that. All right, so I'm going to save it. All right, so right now when I go over here and I refresh, it's going to get rid of that title, so it doesn't look cheesy like that. Okay, so here's the image, and if I click on it, it's not opening anywhere, and I want them to want to click on that and go to an opt-in form. And what I'm going to do right now is I am just going to put a link. So right here, all right, this is where I changed the size. You can put the link right here and start with an HTTP :// and I'm going to just have it go right to her website, her landing page, because it's got a great big opt-in form right in front of your face as soon as you click on that. And I always recommend that you open it in a new window, because once they leave your blog, they might not come back. So, and I'm going to click Save. All right, so now watch what happens. I'm going to refresh this. And now when I hover over it, it's going to let me click on it. And so when I click on it, it's going to open in a new window. Oh, and it didn't work, of course. But hold on. HTTP Did I misspell her name? Oh, sorry. Sorry, Laura. Two C's. Okay. All right, make sure you spell it correctly. All right, I'm going to refresh. All right, now I'm going to click on this. It's going to open in a new window, and it's going to be a landing page. All right, so when they see that image, they're going to be like, free training. All right, and they click on it, free internet marketing training courses, and we're going to add more stuff to this. So, oh yeah, that looks awesome, Laura. Okay, guys, so there you go. That's how you add an image to your blog.